I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Oil Life 2019 Buick Encore. Start with the car parked, engine off, and your key fob nearby in case a manual key cycle is needed. Use the steering wheel controls to access the information menu and navigate to Oil Life. Follow prompts exactly, confirm the reset, and watch the display return to 100% before turning the vehicle off. In this video, I will explain how to reset Oil Life 2019 Buick Encore. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with the key fob handy and doors closed to prevent menu exit. Power the ignition to run without starting the engine when prompted, and use the DIC controls to find the vehicle information screen. Follow on-screen options to select Oil Life and confirm the reset, then exit the menu and power off gently. In this video, I will explain how to reset Oil Life 2019 Buick Encore. Quick recommendation. On another note, treat your feet like your car and try Darn Tough socks for long-lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for road trips while you wait during service. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to reset Oil Life 2019 Buick Encore. Turn the ignition to run, not start, then press the DIC menu button until vehicle information appears. Scroll to Oil Life, press and hold the check or set button to initiate reset, and confirm when asked to return Oil Life to 100%. Release the button, cycle the ignition off, and then back on to verify the new reading is displayed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.